Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study quants for CFA Level 1. Begin by thoroughly understanding the foundational quantitative concepts. This includes topics such as time value of money, probability, and descriptive statistics. Practice using your financial calculator extensively for all relevant calculations. Ensure you can confidently apply formulas and interpret results, as this forms the bedrock for more advanced topics. Dedicate sufficient time to these initial areas. Next, consistent practice is absolutely crucial. Work through a high volume of practice problems, especially those provided by the CFA Institute. Don't just read solutions, actively solve each problem yourself. Pay close attention to the end-of-chapter questions in the curriculum, as they directly test your understanding of the learning outcome statements. This hands-on approach solidifies your grasp of the material and builds problem-solving speed. For specific quantitative topics, prioritize areas like hypothesis testing and regression analysis. These often carry significant weight and require a deep conceptual understanding. Also, ensure you are comfortable with sampling and estimation techniques, as well as the various probability distributions. Don't overlook technical analysis. While it might seem less mathematical, understanding its principles is vital for a comprehensive quant preparation. Finally, consistent review and mock exams are essential for success. Regularly revisit all quantitative formulas and concepts to keep them fresh in your mind. As you get closer to the exam, take several full-length mock exams under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps you manage your time effectively. Analyze your performance on these mocks to pinpoint weak areas and adjust your study plan accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.